There was a crypto analyst. He covers 22 of the biggest lessons learned in 2022. But I'm going to give you one of those lessons and add a little bit to that in this video. You don't want to miss this. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain's in, and we're going to talk about one lesson in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, the first one, and the only one in this video, don't do crypto alone. Okay, now why? It's because of this. One of the most important lessons from this year, 2022 and beyond, don't do crypto alone, okay? Rely on community resources to make wise investment decisions. And I'll add on to that. Research the crypto, the market, the chart, everything you can. Even watch a YouTube video like this to make sure it gives you information. Now, it's not financial advice. If you watch a YouTube video, use it as information and use the community resources to make wise decisions for you and your family. Now, when things go wrong, as they sometimes do, having a support network is also much better for your mental health. So if you have a community, that network of people that believe in you, that really can give you the support you deserve, that's going to help you through the ups and downs in crypto, because it's been ups and downs in 2022, and it probably will happen in 2023. Now, lastly, it's always important to remember that life, there's more than life than to crypto. Crypto isn't going anywhere, but your relationships might if you do not nurture them. So spend time with your family, spend time with your friends. Don't take it so extremely personally. This is what I do. I try to take a lot of walks, and then I try to spend some time with family, and then I'll get back to the crypto or get back to the market or get back to YouTube, things like that. Try to have a little bit of a balance. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. Sometimes I forget to do that sometimes, but this year and next year and years after that, I've learned throughout the years that you definitely have to do that. So I want you to do that. Take care of your mental health. Crypto ain't going nowhere. I don't care what y'all say. I don't care what they say. It ain't going nowhere, but it does need some things, do some things to clean it up and learn from the lessons. I'm learning too. We're learning together. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, I'm sure you probably have a long list of things that you learned from 2022, but the lessons there, don't do it alone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.